al nostre món encara hi ha molts nens i nenes, homes i dones, exclosos del dret a accedir a una feina o a una educació de qualitat que els permeti participar de manera plena en la societat i fins i tot estar presents arreu del món a causa de les seves necessitats especials. Hem dedicat aquest tercer exemplar de la revista Diàlegs a la inclusió educativa, perquè pensem que avançar en l'equitat és la resposta a molts dels reptes del món actual i, sens dubte, un pas de gegant a l'assoliment dels drets humans fonamentals. Hi han participat experts reconeguts d'arreu del món, com Melvin Ainscow o Barbara Bray, acadèmics com Carmen Alba i grans professionals de l'educació com Antonio Márquez, María Eugenia Pérez, José Blas García, Margarita Costa i Sarai Gómez, entre d'altres. Tots ells es consideren activistes compromesos amb un món i una societat més inclusiva.
My view of inclusion is that it is a process, if you like, a journey that every education system and every school is on to try to find ways of reaching every child. So my focus is on every child, not on any particular categories. For me, it is about addressing the barriers that make it difficult for some children to participate, to be present, and to make progress. But most crucially, it requires the teachers to be part of the agenda. Teachers are policy makers. Politicians don't understand this. What do you mean? Teachers are policy makers. So I say, well, you as politicians create policies. But if the teacher doesn't understand the policy, or doesn't believe in it, or misunderstands it, when they close the door and work with the children, that is the policy the children experience. And we have to study it. Schools that make progress are places where teachers are constantly investigating their own practice collaboratively.